Hi everyone, this is the luxury gold metal middle frame and back housing for Apple iPhone 5G. And if you cracked your housing or you just want to replace a new back cover for your iPhone 5G, this can be the part you need. See, it is made of a high quality and excellent material, and here are the parts you'll get with this back housing. You will get one SIM tray, one power button, one volume button, and one mail key. Alright, so don't forget, proper installation requires special skill and techniques. Alright, okay, that's all, and I see you next time.